Hello friends, so today we're going to be seeing the tropical climates, and this is by Ryan. It's just gonna get an effect for us. Tropical climates are found near the equator. The average temperature is 60 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. There are not much seasonal changes because it is rainy and sunny most of the time. The sun is also very strong where the equator is. There's a lot of humidity which makes you even hotter. The average precipitation is 62.3 inches. Precipitation is like snow, rain, hail, like water dropping from the sky. And the clothing you'll want to wear will be shorts and a t-shirt. So this is my person, and here's the sun. So he's saying, "It is so hot, I'm sweating." And this is like a raindrop. It just fell on him in the sky. Here's his t-shirt and his shorts. He's holding a water bottle. And yeah. So animals living in the tropical region are elephants, macaques, yes, a flying lemur, jaguars, gorillas, toucans, and sloths, and monkeys, and macaws. Fruits and vegetables. I forgot to remove the vegetables. I just thought there were vegetables. But anyway, bananas, lemons, limes, oranges, and pineapples. Pineapples are my favorite, and bananas. I like oranges, pineapples, and bananas. Here are some fun facts. The temperature at the tropical region can reach up to 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow! More than 40% of people live in this climate zone. Organisms can grow all year, like plants and animals, like the ones we just saw. These are some cool facts, and this is the end of our presentation. I hope you enjoy it. Bye!